Nestled in the heart of Alabama, Leeds is a city that whispers tales of history and hums with the vibrancy of nature. Often overlooked, Leeds is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's a place where the tranquility of the Cahaba River meets the exhilarating roar of racing engines, offering a unique blend of experiences for every traveller. Leeds is a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future. The city's historic downtown area stands as a testament to its rich heritage, while modern amenities cater to the needs of today's visitors. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into the true essence of southern charm, Leeds has something to offer. The city's natural beauty is perhaps its most captivating feature. The Cahaba River, renowned for its biodiversity, meanders through the heart of Leeds, inviting exploration and moments of peaceful reflection. The surrounding woodlands teem with life, offering glimpses of native flora and fauna. For those seeking a taste of southern hospitality, Leeds doesn't disappoint. The city's residents welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share their love for their hometown. Local eateries offer a taste of authentic southern cuisine, while quaint shops invite you to discover unique treasures. The Cahaba River is the lifeblood of Leeds, flowing through the city and shaping its character. This biologically diverse river is home to a remarkable array of aquatic species, including the rare and endangered Cahaba lily. Kayaking or canoeing along the Cahaba's gentle currents offers a unique perspective on the city's beauty. The riverbanks are adorned with lush greenery, providing a sense of tranquility and a chance to reconnect with nature. Fishing enthusiasts will find the Cahaba River to be a haven for various species, including bass, catfish and bream. Casting a line into the river's clear waters is a peaceful way to spend an afternoon, surrounded by the symphony of nature's sounds. Numerous parks and green spaces dot the banks of the Cahaba River, providing ample opportunities for picnics, leisurely walks, or simply soaking up the sun. The river's presence creates a sense of serenity that permeates the entire city. Leeds caters to both thrill-seekers and history buffs. The Barber Motorsports Park, a world-renowned racing facility, is a must-visit for motorsports enthusiasts. The park hosts various racing events throughout the year, attracting drivers and spectators from around the globe. The park's meticulously designed track, often hailed as one of the most challenging in North America, offers a thrilling experience for both drivers and spectators. The roar of engines and the smell of racing fuel create an electrifying atmosphere. In contrast to the high-octane excitement of the racetrack, Leeds Memorial Park provides a serene escape. This sprawling park is home to various recreational facilities, including playgrounds, walking trails and picnic areas. The park's tranquil atmosphere makes it an ideal spot for families to spend quality time together or for individuals to enjoy some quiet reflection. The park also hosts various community events throughout the year, bringing residents and visitors together. Section 4. Nature's Playground, Wildlife and Outdoor Delights. Leeds is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. The city's woodlands, wetlands and the Cahaba River create a rich tapestry of ecosystems teeming with life. Hiking trails wind through the forests, offering glimpses of native wildlife in their natural habitat. Birdwatchers will delight in the abundance of avian species that call Leeds home, from majestic birds of prey soaring overhead to colourful songbirds flitting through the trees. There's always something to marvel at in the skies above. The city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in its numerous parks and green spaces. These protected areas provide sanctuary for wildlife and offer opportunities for residents and visitors to connect with nature. For those seeking more adventurous pursuits, rock climbing opportunities abound in the areas surrounding Leeds. The region's unique geological formations present exciting challenges for climbers of all skill levels. Section 5. Southern charm and a warm welcome. The heart of Leeds. Beyond its natural beauty and attractions, Leeds possesses a distinct charm that sets it apart. The city's friendly residents, known for their southern hospitality, welcome visitors with open arms. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning guest, you'll feel right at home in Leeds. The city's downtown area exudes a nostalgic charm, with its historic buildings housing local businesses and eateries. Antique shops offer treasures from the past, while art galleries showcase the works of local artists. Local restaurants in Leeds are a treat for the taste buds, offering a taste of authentic southern cuisine. From hearty barbecue to comforting soul food, there's something to satisfy every craving. Be sure to try the local specialties and experience the true flavors of the South. Leeds is a city that embraces its heritage while looking towards the future. The city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty, its vibrant arts and culture scene, and its warm southern hospitality make it a destination that will capture your heart.